Hey guys, what is up? It is Lake here, coming out with a quick video. Now tonight I'm gonna be doing a video on a video, the similar topic of a video I did a while ago, and that was I'm finally starting my own business and all that stuff. So let's get right into it. Now, a couple of you guys I've already talked to, and I'm still working on it. Basically, I'm finally getting into the startup stages. And I'm just doing a bit of testing before I actually launch web hosting type thing. I'm doing a lot of testing because I don't want it to have initial problems and all that bad stuff. I just want it to kind of work right when I launch it. So I'm doing some testing. I'm actually going to set up. I'm not going to use my own servers at this start of this process, just because running your own servers costs a lot of money for power wise, and if part fails, you have to get one ASAP and replace it. And just right now I don't want to deal with that, so currently I'm gonna rent servers from either Microsoft Azure, I think it's Azure or Azure, I'm not quite sure. I think it's Azure. I'm not quite sure how it's spelled or said, or maybe Amazon AWS, which is server companies where basically you can rent servers and use them for your own purpose. Just because right now it's a lot easier for me to actually do that, or not easier, it's just as easy the other way. It's just there's guaranteed 100% uptime. They will help and support people if they need it, where I'd have to be doing all that troubleshooting. And starting right away, I don't want to have to deal with a lot of that stuff, just in case, in the future, I want to upgrade and, go to more power. I can always upgrade it in the cloud and push up, where eventually I'll have to, it'll be cheaper to actually stay with servers that I have I'll probably have an office or something if I actually go that far. And I'll run them from there, so then I'll have a reliable just internet connection, power connection. Currently I'm working on getting business internet to the house here, which will be a lot faster, and maybe I'll host some stuff from home, maybe some game servers and stuff, just because I'll have a lot more bandwidth. But currently I'm going to be doing the web hosting business from an actual dedicated remote server. Just so, like I said, just for some of those reasons I'm saying, I still have to set everything up. They literally just have the server at a different location, in a different data center that Microsoft owns. And then you have the best internet connection. You have about, I'm sure you have in the data centers, they probably allocate about a gig upload, a gig download for those servers, which is absolutely insane. It's good, really good bandwidth speeds, and just it overall makes sense for right now. So if you guys are interested in this, having your own website, I can program websites. So if you don't have your own website, and you haven't programmed one already, and you need one, let me know. I will be starting hosting within, for sure, the next month. I'll have an actual active server running. But for right now, I'm just doing a lot of testing, making sure everything works for my final release. Because I want other people to be able to manage their website from a web panel, so they just go online, they can change things from online, do all that stuff from online, but I only have to sometimes change things on the server, if that makes sense. It's a lot easier that way. It makes it pretty just overall it's going to be a pretty good design. I'll show you eventually the design when I get to that point. I wanted to update you. It's been a while since I've done a video on that, and I just want to let you guys know that no, I haven't just stopped thinking about it and stopped doing it. It's just I decided to work a little bit more fixing some bugs. I was having some problems with SQL databases and such, and yeah, so obviously if you need a website, let me know. Let me know down below. Obviously it helps. I'm a startup. But I do know how to do this because I do this at work for my internship, I guess you could say, and I do this stuff all the time. So that's kind of why I have this knowledge, and that's why it's nice. I can use this for my home use. So you may be looking and be like, oh well, you're just a 16-year-old well, I do have experience doing this. You know, I'm not just jumping into this blindly. I do have a lot of experience in HTML, CSS, in a JavaScript, and also a lot of different server things, not just web hosting. Web hosting is very simple. Maybe not to set up the web panel type thing. I mean, that's decently simple. But you know, knowing SQL databases, a lot of the Windows Server type, just knowing Windows Server in general, all those types of things, that takes quite a bit of time, and it's pretty awesome that I'm able to learn those things at work and then maybe start my own business, because that's kind of my overall goal in life. But yeah, so thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe. I will see you next for you guys. Peace out.